Hello students, good morning all of you and welcome back our online class Science 7th standard. Students, today we are going to continue our third chapter, that is the materials of daily use. Students, in the previous classes already we have discussed what is the synthetic fibers, what is that natural fibers, what is that fibers we are getting from the animals, and what are the fibers we are getting from the plants, and already we have discussed in the previous classes. But students, what are the synthetic fibers already I have explained to you. And but students, today we are going to discuss about that what is the different types of breeds of sheep, or what are the breeds of that sheep. That means different types of sheep what we are getting, the wool we are getting from the sheep already I have told. Actually generally wool we are obtaining or getting from the sheep, goat, yak, camel. Yes, so especially if you will think that almost all that we are collecting or we are obtaining that wool from the sheep. But in our India, there are different types of sheep we are finding in the different places in our India. Okay, so what are the breeds of sheep we will discuss in this chapter, and how we are getting this wool or from that sheep we will discuss in this video. So let us start that. First of all, what are the breeds of sheep? Breeds of sheep means what are the different types of sheep we are getting that in our India. So look at that here, students. I have written that on table also, in your textbook also it is there available. You can see also the serial number, name of the breed, state where we are found, types of wool we are getting from that sheep. So name of the breed. First of all, I will read that what are the different types of breed are there. One is Bakrawal, second one is Lohi, third one is Marwari, fourth one is Nali, Patnawadi, Rampur Hussain. So there are the 6 types of breeds. Now we will find out in our India. Okay. So what are that? Once you should remember that Bakrawal, Lohi, Marwari, Nali, Patnawadi, and Rampur Hussain. So students, observe that which breed of the sheep we are getting in which state, and from that sheep what type of wool we are getting. So first one is Bakrawal. We are getting from the which state? Jammu and Kashmir. This is one of the special type of sheep or breeds of sheep. From where we are getting? That is from the Jammu and Kashmir. That is one of the states of our India. That we are from there we are getting. And this breeds of sheep gives us for woolen shawl. That is one very good quality of that wools. Which one we are making that woolen? That is shawl. Next, Lohi. Second one types of breeds is Lohi. We will find out that in Punjab and Rajasthan, and it is also gives us the wool, good quality of wool for the sweaters. Okay. And the third one Marwari. We are finding in Gujarat, and a course of wool it is giving. Nali, another one type of wool that we are getting in Punjab, Haryana, and Rajasthan. The 3 states we will find out, and especially this type of wool from that wool we are getting from Nali, which one we are making from the carpet. Okay, already I have told that what is that carpet. Carpet actually not only from that wool, and it is mixing of that also. What is that? Rayon. So we have to see that Patnawadi, another one type of name, and we are getting specially in the Gujarat. In our India, we will find out in the specially Gujarat. So Gujarat we will get that also Marwari, and as well as also Patnawadi. And for Faisali work for that we are using this. Sixth one, what is that? Rampur Hussain. We are getting the 3 states, Punjab, Haryana, and Rajasthan. And we are also this sheep gives us also wool for making the carpet. So these are the different varieties of sheep. We are getting the different types of same wool, but we are making the different types of fabrics, like different articles. Okay, so there are different quality, the difference are there. So according to the different breeds of sheep, we are finding also in not in one place, in the different states in our India we are finding. Okay, now friends, we will discuss about the production of wool from the sheep. Friends, how we are getting, how we are obtaining, how we are getting this wool from the sheep. There are different methods are there, different steps are there to collect or to get that sheep, that wool. Sorry. So what are that? Generally there are 6 steps are in their books, but almost all if you measure, if you say mainly 4 steps are there. One is what is that? Shearing. Second one is scoring or sorting. Third one is we can say that making yarn, and fourth one is making fabric. and another one is there dyeing is there, and you have to make that. But there are generally 6 types of in your textbook, but major 4 steps are there. It is very important. What is that? First one is what is that? Shearing. Second one is scoring and sorting. Third one is making yarn, and a fourth one is making fabric. Okay. So first of all, what do you mean by shearing? We have to understand. This is the first step. When you know that students, when that one breeds of the sheep are ready to give that wool, and at that time we have to remove that under the skins that hairs, and by that scissor or by the blade, or nowadays we are using that machines. Students, whatever how we will do that, actually whenever that sheep is ready to give its wool, at that time how we will do or how we will saving it this. First of all, you have to catch that sheep, and you have to tie on a wooden block, wooden one plate like a block is there, that of you have to tie, and by the scissor, one pair of the scissor, or by shaving machines like that. One machines now also discover that it is helping for the shaving of the skin of that hair of a sheep. Okay, and by that upper layer of the skin we have to shave. Okay, and it is almost all that which season in our India, in summer season we have to remove or shave that skin from the sheep. Why we should do that in summer season? Because after shaving that that summer season, if you are shaving that time, it takes time to develop again the new hair. Yes, as usual, suppose you will cut hair, your head, whatever hair is there, that if you will cut, then after 10 days or 1 month it will be developed. Same as it, sheep hair also, after shaving that from the skin, again new hair it will grow, but it takes time. So before winter season, that it will be grow again, otherwise that sheep will die, because due to it cannot protect that from the cool. Okay, so now, so what is that shearing? The sheep are held on a wooden board, and they are placed along with the thin uppermost layer of the skin shaved off. This process is called as shearing. That means one sheep you have to catch them, and we have to place it, and you have to tie on a wooden board or wooden block. Okay, then after you have to shave it, and you have to remove the skin of that hairs from the sheep. That is specially we should say that process is generally we should say shearing. That means removing the skin, removing the hair skin from the sheep. Shearing of sheep for wool is done mainly in summer. So already I have told you, whenever that we are removing that skin of that hair, that generally we are where in summer season we have to do. Okay. So next we will discuss about that. What is the scoring? Second step generally mainly it is called as a scoring. What do you mean by scoring? Students, you know that after that removing that skin, after removing the skin from that under skin that from the sheep, we have to wash it. We have to wash it. We have to put it in a big tank, and we have to clean it. That means it, because of it contains dust, dirt, grease. To remove this dust, dirt, grease, we are using one method that is called as scoring. That means we are cleaning that hairs of that sheep or that hair, skin of that sheep. So let's see that what is that scoring. The sheared skin with that thick coat of the hair is then washed thoroughly in tanks to remove grease, dirt, and dust. This process is called scoring. Nowadays it was done by the machine. Nowadays everything it was done by machine. So students, what is that scoring? Now remove the dust, dirt, and grease from that. Whatever that you have removed that skin, that what you have collected from the sheep by the shearing process, that dust particles or dust or dirt, whatever it is attached, that you have to remove. That is by the cleaning process, or that is specially should say that scoring. Okay. Now sorting, that is scoring and sorting. So sorting means after the scoring, hair are graded and sorted. The hair skin is sent into the factories where hair of different textures are separated. The small shaft of fluffy fibers are called buds, are separated from the hair. The remaining fibers again sorted, score and dried. Students, after that scoring, we have to do that sorting. Sorting means what is that? We have to gradation. That means you know that students, any crops any types of agricultural crops you have seen that suppose groundnuts or the peanuts, whatever that, there is a different qualities are there. Okay, so they should make it is a good quality, it is medium, it is a low quality, like that. Whenever that we are whenever that we will save that skin, or we will find out that after scoring we have to make it certain how much length is there, how much strong is there, how quality of that gradation you have to do. So you have to send to factories to gradation it. Okay, that means you have to make it stand and you have to make it grade. Okay, gradation. Then after we have to remove that small things which one not used, and then after we have to clean it again thoroughly. Okay students, so these are about the second steps of that our out of that 6 steps. Already I have 4 steps I told major steps. From that these are second steps, so remain 2 steps. After that we have to keep that dyeing, we have to after that we have to make that fabrics. I will explain in the next video. Thank you all of you, have a nice day.